pretty girl. That's my Clara. Clara! Oh, hi, Poopy. Clara, Poopy brought you a toy. Still want to play with the froggy instead? Oh, hi, Osgood. Yeah, you just had a drink, didn't ya? Hey, you and your wet beard. Hi, Furface. Hi, Furface. You silly boy. Hi, Bentley. Clara! Bentley, will you sit? Sit. Good boy. And down. Hey, down. Oh, good boy. Who's handsome? Hi, Arnold. Touch. Good boy. I don't want it back. Touch. Good boy. Oh, good catch, buddy. Right in the air. Touch. Good boy. Okay, ready? Yeah! Good for you, buddy. Touch. Good boy. Okay, last one. Hi, Clara. Hi, Osgood. Yeah, you're full of kisses, aren't you? Hey? Bentley, you're still laying down. You're a good boy. You are? You're a good boy. Gotta love that little mushy face of yours. Hey, are you a handsome boy? Oh, yeah, even Osgood thinks so. Osgood has kisses for everyone. Touch. You cheated. Atta boy. Who's the prettiest girl in the house, Clara? Is that you?